Hi and welcome to this new tutorial in which we are going to see how to optimize and to create the faking impact lights that you can see under each colored element, so the green, the yellow, etc. So in our scene there are 4 lights. These 3 have the intensity to 0. It's just to explain to you how to optimize your scene. So in real time you have to be super optimized, and the lights cost a lot. So we need to fake lights. Okay, how can I see that my light impacts the weight of my scene? I just have to go to export and to go in the 3D Vitals panel to click on Run Test. And here we can see that my scene is not optimized because there is a orange dot here. Optimization can be made. And here I can see that there is a red exclamation point. So I can click on it, and what this panel tells me, a high number of lights will impact performance and can decrease the frame rate. So what I have to do is to remove some lights. Okay, and you will see that if I remove these 3 lights, because I tell you again that I've put the intensity to 0, that's why it's not going to change my scene, but it's going to change the weight of my scene. So now if I click on Run Test, my scene is optimized, okay? Because my number of light is 1. Okay? So now that we know that light impacts the performance of our scene, we need to fake lights, okay? And how to fake light, or how to fake the neon I would say impact or something. Now that you are a very super professional to the depth layer, I think you think about depth layer, and you're right. Actually, my floor has multiple depth layer, as you can see here. If you see under the object, you will see that if I hide some depth layers, it's going to hide the faking lights impacts on the floor. Okay, so how I can fake the light? So is super simple. I think you have the solution in your mind. Is to create a depth layer with a radial type, and to create a gradient between the color of the neon element, so here green, and the same color but in 0%. Okay, so if I change if I slide the other color, you can see that it impacts the floor. So actually this is just what you have to remember. And also remember that we need to have like the quite similar color in the gradient, even if it's 0%, because otherwise it's going to impact the border of the gradient. I will change, for example, and you can see that if I put red, it's going to be super visible. So I used to just copy paste my color, and so it's easier. You can also click on smooth, and it's going to be a bit more smooth. Okay, so, and the last thing I have to tell you is you have to put it as local, so it's, or even in Word, but here I've put it on local. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you like it, and see you soon in another tutorial. Bye!